electroscope. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science video. Okay. Okay, friends. Today we are going to demonstrate about electroscope. Electroscope is a device, simple device to detect charge on a body. It consists of a vertical metal rod housed in a box. There are two thin leaves, any metal like aluminum, gold, etc. You may also take silver, attached to the bottom end of this rod. When a charged object touches the metal knob at the top of the rod, charges flow onto the leaves and they diverge. The degree of divergences indicates the amount of charge on the body. Okay. Here you are observing an aluminum leaf electroscope. Okay. I am trying to discuss about electroscope. Here there is an aluminum leaf electroscope. You know, gold is good conductor of electricity. In the similar manner, aluminum is also the good conductor of electricity. Here I have made an electroscope. I have rubbed vigorously a comb and bring this comb near teeny pieces of paper. What will happen? You may observe. Okay, what things are you observing? I have rubbed vigorously a comb with hair and then bringing near the teeny pieces of paper. What thing are you observing? Some paper is attracting this comb. Okay, it means charge is transferring from one body to another. Okay, you may observe this thing. Here you are seeing some teeny pieces of paper is attracting by this comb. Okay, what are the reasons? Very simple reason. Charge is being transferred from one body to another. Okay, okay, you may observe this thing. Okay, now I am bringing this comb near the teeny pieces of aluminum foil. Okay, try to understand. I am bringing this comb near teeny pieces of aluminum foil. What things are you observing? You are observing this aluminum foil is attracted by this comb. What are the reasons? Simple reason is that here charges are being transferred from one body to another. Same techniques we have to adopt regarding electroscope. Okay, you are observing. Here you are observing this aluminum foil is attracted by this comb. What are the reasons? Charges are being transferred from one body to another. Same techniques I am using here in this comb. Okay, I have rubbed vigorously a comb with hair and now you may observe here something is happening. Okay, here you may observe something is happening. Okay, now you are observing that there is also charge is being transferred from one body to another. Okay, if you will bring, what are the reasons? Charge is being transferred from one body to another body. This is indication that there is some charges is present. There are some charges present in this leaf, and whenever we bring a charge body near this leaf, there will be something happening. There will happen something. What things? There will be repulsion between these two aluminum foils. There will be repulsion. Okay, now again we are trying to demonstrate electroscope. I have rubbed a comb with hair vigorously and then bringing near this. What things are you observing? There is repulsion. Okay, between these two aluminum foil. Okay, try to understand. Whenever you will bring charged comb near this electroscope, it means near the aluminum foil. Here you may observe this thing, there is separation. Here you may, while you are bringing a comb near this electroscope, and here in the upper part there is also aluminum foil through which charges will flow from aluminum foil to another two aluminum foil, and whenever you will observe there is separation. It means there is use of charges so that they will diverge. Okay, so these things, if you want to detect charge using electroscope, you can easily detect the presence of charges. Okay, try to understand. Here you are seeing, observing this thing, there is separation. What are the reasons? If you will bring a comb rubbing with hair, then what will you observe? There is separation between these two leaves. What are the reasons? Reason is charges is being transferred from one body to another. Okay, now next thing I want to share with you, I will suggest you subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for latest video, new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.